What's up, Aquatic Masters? Tonight we're gonna draw Divemon.
Way, way down deep beneath the sea. A place that's home, sweet home to me. There's nowhere like here anywhere. There's magic in the salty air.
Divemon is one of the new Digimon for Digimon,
Take off your shoes,
the new
relax
Digimon
your
reboot.
mind.
Yeah?
Jump right in, the water's
Alright.
fine. Then we go across the tracks
To hear some wailing sax.
and take a swinging trip
To where it's non-stop hip.
where they stay up all night.
Here's the Hammerhead's upper half.
The coral reefs go on for miles. Just pack some sandals and a smile. With endless beaches you can comb. Then ride the gentle tide back home.
There's a place I know.
Where all the pirates go. Where the music's loud.
Where the hair is styled. It's a swinging town. Why don't you come on down?
Here are the spikes.
The perfect place to holiday and let your troubles melt away.
Alexa, shuffle songs by SpongeBob SquarePants.
Shuffling songs by SpongeBob SquarePants on Amazon Music.
Alexa, what is Megalodon?
Megalodon, meaning big tooth, is an extinct species of mackerel shark that lived approximately 23 to 3.6 million years ago, during the early Miocene to the Pliocene. It was formerly thought to be a member of the family Lamidae and a close relative of the great white shark. However, it is now classified into the extinct family Odontidae, which diverged from the great white shark during the early Cretaceous. Its genus placement is still debated, authors placing it in either Carcharocles, Megacolochus, Otodus, or Procarcharodon.
Gary, can't you see I was blind? I'll do anything to change your mind. More than a pet, you're my best friend. Too cool to forget. Come back, 'cause we are family. And forgive me for making you wanna roam. And now my
Alexa, next song.
a friend is a friend till the end of the end. That's forever and a day. Stay by your side, don't hear me say goodbye. Come on, baby.
There we go. Alexa, next song. Alexa, next song.
I thought that I had everybody on my side.
Alexa, what is a hammerhead?
The noun, hammerhead, can have a few meanings. 1. The part of a hammer designed for striking. 2. A shark of the genus Furna, especially S. zygina,
Here's his
having
gills.
the head expanded laterally so as to resemble a double-headed hammer, sometimes dangerous to swimmers. 3.
I don't get why
The brown
hammerhead
human-like
sharks are
African
dangerous.
bird, Scopas
I mean,
umbrella,
they're just
having
thin.
the head so crested as to resemble a claw hammer. 4. Flat-headed borer, the larva of a metallic wood boring beetle, having an expanded and flattened anterior end.
Now I learned a lesson I won't soon forget. So listen and you won't regret. Be true to yourself, don't miss your chance, and you won't end up like the fool who ripped his pants.
The last thing, his dorsal fin. Or should I say his dual dorsal fin. And here's the dash that he uses to swim, and he uses it to fight. Let's make this a fast one. There! Finished! That's how you draw Divemon. That was a fast draw. And it's all in the name of summer. If you want to find out more on how to draw more aquatic monsters like this, leave a comment below. Because I'm feeling cool. Cool enough to hit the sea. To find out more, and please like and rock and subscribe to my channel, and let me know which character you want me to draw next in the comments below. Here's this hammerhead shark, guys. And I'll draw more like this real soon. Bye. Good night. Stegosaurus, see you later. Stegosaurus, see you later.